Kritika joins us on the broadcast. Kritika, very interesting point here picked up by Arvind Kejriwal. He says that there is an entire section of the society between the note bank and the vote bank that also is a major factor in elections, but at the end of the day, they don't get anything from the government. So Aam Aadmi Party now very clearly targeting the middle class.
Right, Ashish, in targeting the middle class and vying for their votes, the Aam Aadmi Party is also targeting the central government, which is the Bharatiya Janata Party. In fact, in the 7 demands released in the middle class manifesto by the Aam Aadmi Party chief, there are demands for increasing the health and the education budget to 10%. Currently, around 2% is being spent by the union government on health facilities, and it is being demanded by Arvind Kejriwal that this amount be increased to, in fact, 10%, and that GST on all essential commodities should be waived off. Even last year, we'd seen in the parliament session that opposition parties had, in fact, demanded that GST on health insurance policies and other such healthcare facilities should also be waived off. But till now, there hasn't been any stance that has been taken by the union government in this regard. Arvind Kejriwal has also demanded for, in fact, stronger retirement plans to be put in place for senior citizens of the country as well. And definitely this is coming at a strategic point. Only a few weeks are left for the elections. And in vying for majority of the section of the public vote in Delhi, all 3 parties we are witnessing are releasing SOPs, are releasing more and more cash transfer benefits. In fact, whether it is for pregnant women or for women at large, students are also being a major focus by means of metro pass as well as free bus tickets that is being promised by, in fact, all 3 parties. In light of this, there has been a section of the society that has been complaining that it is the taxpayers' money, in fact, which isn't reaching back at them. And we see today that the Aam Aadmi Party chief is sort of side-stepping this by, in fact, claiming that the Aam Aadmi Party government is looking after the interests of the middle class by being able to provide subsidized electricity, by providing free water, as well as providing affordable healthcare and education. So definitely this is something which we will be seeing building up into a bigger storm over the course of the day. Mr. Rahul Gandhi is also going to be holding a rally in the city later in the evening, and Congress is already reacting to this press
Kritika rightly
conference.
pointed out the Aam
BJP
Aadmi Party clearly trying to target the middle class here, and of course all the political parties now are trying to target different sections of the society. Do stay on with us as we continue to track all the developments from the Delhi election.